Hey guys, I'm with my parakeet again. He's such a cute parakeet. Anyways, this is about my parakeet. Climbing up my shoulder. And he is the best bird in the world. And let him climb up on the computer, Jimbo. I can't see you, Jimbo. Okay, you're right here.